Hello students, now we will continue this topic integrals and today we will enjoy the part 16. In part 16 we will start the definite integrals. Okay, definite integral we will do here. So look here, if we have the integral of fx dx is capital X plus c. Okay, this we already done in the indefinite form. Now here the extra thing will be here, limit will be given to you. This limit is x equal to a to x equal to b. So integral of a to b of x dx will be equal to the same we have capital fx, and here we will have here a and b. So upper limit is b and lower limit is a. So first we will put a place of xb, so we get fb, and then we put place of x is a, so we get fa, and we will subtract fb minus fa. Look here, we will do one question, then you understand. We have this question minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 and dx. Okay, so integral of x we already know, x square upon 2, and integral of 1 is x. Okay, and this limit we will use here minus 1 to 1. First place of x we will put 1, so we will get here 1 square upon 2 plus place of x is 1. Now place of x we put minus 1, so minus 1 square upon 2 and plus minus 1. Okay, this we have to solve, so we will get here 1 square is 1 upon 2 plus 1 and minus, and here minus 1 square is 1 upon 2, and this is minus 1. So we will solve this bracket, we get 2 and the 2 and 3 by 2 and minus, and here we get minus 1 upon 2. This minus and minus is plus, we have 1 upon 2, we add 4, we get here 4 upon 2, and 4 upon 2 means we get here 2. So answer we get here 2. So all of understand this, we do the question here we 0 to pi by 4, and we have here sine 2x. Okay, sine 2x and dx we have. So look here, this sine 2x integral we know already, we have cos 2x upon 2 and minus. Okay, sine 2x integral is cos 2x upon 2, and limit is 0 to pi by 4. So first place of x we will put here pi by 4, and then we will put the place of x is 0, so 2 into 0 is 0 upon 2, and now we will get here this is minus cos pi by 2 and upon 2, and minus we have here minus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1 upon 2 we have, and cos pi by 2 is 0, so this is 0, and minus this minus plus 1 upon 2, so this answer is 1 upon 2. This is question number 3, and 0 to pi by 4, and we have here 10x. Okay, 10x and dx. So look at 10x integral we know already, log sec x. Okay, and here limit is 0 to pi by 4. First we put pi by 4, so log sec pi by 4 we have, and then we have log sec 0. Okay, and look here, this we have here log sec pi by 4, sec 45 we have root 2. Okay, and minus sec 0 is 1, and this we can write here log root 2 upon 1 we can write. We know already the formula, log m minus log n equal to log m upon n. Okay, or you can say log 1 is 0, so log 1 0 also you can write. So if we get same answer, this one we can write here log 2 as a log 2 power 1 upon 2, and 1 upon 2 will be, we can write 1 upon 2 log 2. So this is our answer. All of you understand this? Look here, we have to do the integral of 0 to pi by 4 2 sec square x plus x cube plus 2 and dx. Look here, integral of sec square x we know already, it is a integral is 10x, and x cube integral is x4 upon 4, and 2 integral is 2 into x. and here is limit is 0 to pi by 4. First we will put place of x pi by 4, so we get here 2 10 pi by 4, and place of x pi by 4 means we get here pi square upon 4 square and into 4 plus 2 into pi by 4, and then minus we will put place of x is 0, 2 10 0 plus 0 power 4 upon 4 plus 2 into 0. Okay, look here, these all will be 0. Okay, this will all will be 0, and here we have 10 pi by 4 is 1, so we can write here 2 into 1, and this by 4, so pi power 4 upon 4 power 4. So pi power 4 and 4 power 4 into we will do this 4 means we will have here 1024 1024, and this we cancel, we will have here pi by 2, and this is 0, so we will get this final answer is 2 plus pi power 4 upon 1024 and plus pi by 2 we will get. So all of you understand this? Look at this question is integral of pi by 6 to pi by 4 and cosec x dx log cosec x minus cot x. Okay, and this limit is pi by 6 to pi by 4. Okay, here we can say first we write here the log, and first we write here pi by 4, so we write cosec pi by 4 minus cot pi by 4, and then minus, and we will put the lower limit. Place of x we will put here pi by 6, so cosec pi by 6 minus cot pi by 6. Okay, now log cosec pi by 4 we have here root 2, cot pi by 4 is 1 minus log this cosec pi by 6 means cosec 30 degree we have here 2, and cot pi by 6 means cot 30 degree we have root 3, and log m minus log n we know already log m upon n, so we have root 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus root 3. So this is our answer. Find the integral of 0 to 1 dx upon 1 plus x square, and here we know already the integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x, and here limit is 0 to 1, so we apply the limit 0 to 1. First we put place of x 1, so we get tan inverse 1, and then we put 0, so we get tan inverse 0. Now tan inverse 1 value we all already know, this is a pi by 4, and tan 0 is 0, so we solve, we get pi by 4, so pi by 4 is our answer. Now next question is we have to evaluate this integral 2 to 3 integral 2 to 3 dx upon x square minus 1. Here we can use this formula integral of 1 upon x square minus a square dx equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a. Here place of a we have here 1 upon 2 into 1 log x minus 1 upon x plus 3. Here limit is given 2 to 3, so x equal to 3 we can write here. So look here, 1 upon 2 we can take out, this is common, so bracket log modulus of x minus 1 upon x plus 1 and 2 to 3. Now first we put x equal to 3, so place of x we put here 3. So we get 1 upon 2 log 3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 minus log 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 equal to 1 upon 2, and this will be 3 minus 1 is 2, and this is 4, and minus log this is 1, and this is 3. Now 2 and 4 we can cancel, here we get here 1 by 2, so we will get here 1 upon 2 bracket log 1 upon 2 minus log 1 upon 3. Now we know the formula log m minus log n is log m upon n, so we can write 1 upon 2 log m upon n means 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 3, this will do reciprocal, we get here 1 upon 2 log 3 by 2. So this is our answer. Hope you understand this solution.